Good morning, everyone. Just putting this coffee cake in the oven. Happy Sunday to you all. Helping with a Veterans Day breakfast at our lodge this morning, and I made this doubled 2 boxes of this Krusteaz cinnamon swirl coffee cake. I love this mix. I usually doctor it up, and today I put in a bunch of chopped gala apples. And I've made this and put blueberries in, or chocolate chips, or white chocolate chips. And I'm just getting ready to take Teddy for a walk and do an empties video. And I'm sipping on my PJ's Southern Wedding Cake coffee. And there's a good chance that I'm going to be warming this sweet caramel Jackie O this morning, and this is going soon to be the last of my vintage chic beautiful collection. And I also might make just a little mishmash of stuff today. I also might make some salted caramel cookies later to bring to I'm going to the cemetery to my dad's grave and meeting my mom and my brother there later on. And that's about it for this morning, guys and gals. I hope you all have a beautiful Sunday. Stay tuned for my empties video and whatever else I might muster up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.